How to change your Cara pure water filters. First, find the arrow on your filter. To insert, place your filter in the filter cap about 30 degrees to the left of the arrow on the filter cap. Twist gently to the right until the two arrows align. Repeat this for your second filter. Please note that your mineral filter must be inserted on the left cap and your carbon filter inserted on the right cap. Twist gently to the right until the arrows align. If your filter caps come loose, simply press them back into place and try again. Now, to remove your filters is just as simple as inserting them. Lift your filter and simply twist gently to the left until your filter disconnects from the cap. Repeat this for both filters. And that's it. You have successfully inserted your Cara pure water filters. For more information, please email us at support@carawater.com. Thank you and have a great day.